So I am back from shopping. I took a little nap and now I am up. I'm re-energized and I am going to show you my little haul that I got from Dollar Tree. So I got a couple picture frames and I'm going to end up spray painting these silver and maybe even black. I got these ones because I'm going to try to put a spin on something. This little display easel so you can kind of sit stuff in it. Ta-da! Like that. See how that looks. I got more picture frames. And these will definitely be spray painted because look at the stuff chipped off. And it wasn't even like that when I got it from the store. So just sitting in the bag, the paints and chipped off, but that's okay because I planned on spray painting them anyway. I got some clamps or some jumbo clothespins, then some compact mirrors. I'm going to do something with that. I got this little glass thingy here. I'm going to do something with that. Got some makeup brushes. Those will be props. I got a whole bunch of stuff, y'all. Like some stuff I was just like, why am I getting all this stuff? But and some of this stuff won't even be for like crafting. I needed picture frames anyway, so that's why I went all ham with the picture frames. But I like the style of these. I like the way it was the length wise. I like that. So I brought a few of those. I definitely like the style of these. So even if I don't do what I planned on doing, I'm going to spray paint them and hang these up because these don't have frames. So these will probably just get hung up in my house. But I'm definitely going to spray paint them because I don't like those colors and they don't go with well, maybe the black, but yeah. Then I got some knobs. Some command hooks, which don't have anything to do with anything. I brought these knobs. I thought these were too cute. And then I brought these knobs. Yes, I have 2 more bags because I also went to Michael's. But all this is from, or no, this is from Walmart. Let me make a correction. This stuff here, just these 4 things are from Walmart. The rest of this stuff is from the dollar store. This is from the dollar store. I bought some seashells, dollar store. Some rocks that are kind of messy. They leave like this white powder at the bottom, so the bag is filled. But all from the dollar store. And then someone busted open the shells, so I got these dollar store. Okay, and then the last bag. I got this from Michael's. These were on sale for $4.99. So I brought some ribbon to see if I can do what I want to do. But if I can't, I can use this at Christmas anytime, packaging something. I brought this, a little bling. And I brought these little crystal, well, not crystals. They're like decoration things. Let me open it up so you can see. So I brought those. They're kind of shaped like diamonds. Then I brought these beads. Look at that shine on there. And then I brought these. And they have a sale 3 for $9.99. So I brought these 3. And the green tag is 3 for $9.99. The red tag was 2 for something. I can't remember. But I brought those. I'm going to do something with that. And then I brought these little bracelets from Michael's. They were on clearance for like $1. I like the beads of it. So what I'm going to do is just pop them and then use them in different projects. They were on clearance and I like the shine of them. Not to wear, but to just kind of use in different projects. So that's what I'll do for that. And then I brought some LED lights. Oh, and then I saw this little magnet container. it'll be useful for something. So I brought it. It was only 99¢. And then I brought some more bling to see if this will do what I wanted to do. I think that's it. Yep, that is my haul. So the next video you will see how I will use this haul in a couple craft projects. I have a, let's see, 1, 2, 3, about 3 to 4, well, minus the beading, 3 to 4 craft projects just with this haul right here. So stay tuned for that.